What do you got? Can I see? Can I see? Let me see. Ready? You sound like a pig. What is that? You brought the leaf in from outside. Look. Did you bring this in from outside? No, you're not gonna eat that, are you? Silly. Let me see. Let me see. Icky, icky. Give me the leaf. Give it to me. Give it. Oh. What'd you do? What's this? Mr. Snowman. Look, he crinkles and has a squeaker. Ready? Kitty. Hey, Lacey, why doesn't somebody fix your hair? I'm the only one who fixes your hair. Why are you such a mess? Because it gets to be towards the end of the day. Lacey's been acting goofy all day, right? Boom. Is that right? Are you a goofball? Are you a goofball, Lacey? Are you a goofball? That's supposed to be a top knot, but it ends up being a side ponytail. Right? He's gonna be ready to eat dinner soon. Are you hungry? You gonna clean up your leaves? Here's some of our Lacey's friends on the steps. Are they your friends on the steps? Are they your friends, Lacey? Lacey, who's that? Mr. Snowman? Is that your snowman? Oh, got it. Got it, got it. Why is it you always play more, oops, after the, we didn't do our tree yet. Everything but the tree. What's going on outside? Nothing. See if you can see the pond. Kind of see the pond through there. Everything looks icky at this time of year. Right, Lacey? Everything looks icky, icky, ugly. do you see outside? Who's that?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't see me?
Oh, I meant, yeah, I just saw